Hi guys, let us understand today what is a request dispatcher, how we can use. I'll just make one login form and I'll make some other HTML pages or JSP pages any kind. So one login is incorrect, it will go to the some failure page. If it is correct, it will go to the success page, right? So let us create a new and then say here dynamic web project. Here I'll say sublet with request dispatcher. Okay, I'll use this 2.4 version because the support of my server is this only. If I use Tomcat 7, then I will get the support of. Okay, I'll make a new HTML file here and I'll say index.html. Okay, and next and finish it. I'll make another two page. Say here it is a failure.jsp. I'm making JSP page here. Okay, again I'll make a new file and I say success.jsp. Okay, finish it. So I don't have any code in the failure or success. Here I'll make a form here. I'll just say form action equal to just say validate. Okay, validate, or I just say L validate something, method equal to post. Okay, now inside this we'll make a two, like let us say username. Okay, and I'll say here input type equal to text, name equal to t1. Okay, give a break here. Similarly I can just say password and input type equal to text here, name equal to t2. If you don't want to display the characters, make it here password for password field. Okay, and there's one button here, input type equal to submit, value equal to, I can say here login, and then yes, I'm done now. This is just a small form. I'll make a sublet here. I just go to here and source new package, and then I'll say com dot example here, finish it, make a one sublet. I'll say sublet and I'll give a name here, login sublet. Okay, next here I'll just do editing because I am calling this sublet with L validate, right? Okay, I'll have a do post only. Okay, just add the, I mean, sublet API.jar. So build path, configure build path, add external jar, sublet API.jar. Okay, save it. Now we'll write code here. Okay, so my sublet is login sublet, and you can see the babe.xml, that L validate means it will call login sublet, right? Now this page is calling L validate. In turn, this sublet will invoke and will call the do post method because I have a method post, right? Now here we'll do a string str1 equal to request dot get parameter. What parameter? T1, right? Similarly, I just say copy paste and I'll say here T2. Here I'll say tier 2. Now inside this, I'm not doing any authentications from database and all. I just check here if str1 dot equals str2. So my condition is what? If both are equal, then go to the success page. I mean username, password, right? If both are equal, then go to the success page, else say failure. That is my check condition. Here I'll do what? Request. There's the one API request dispatcher. Okay. Take object rd equal to. You can use from request also, request dot gets request dispatcher, request dot get request dispatcher, right? You can pass the string here. So but here you cannot write this because we are having different pages. So where it will go? It will go to the success.jsp. Okay, this interface you have to import. It is from the java x dot sublet dot request dispatcher, right? Now we are obtaining this reference from get request dispatcher. You can also use here context instead of request. Same thing we are copying here, and we will write the same code here, but this time it will go to the failure.jsp. Okay, and then we'll write here rd dot forward request and response. Okay, same thing I have to do here, that rd dot forward request response. Okay, done. So once the username password are different, it will go to here, but we have not written any code here, right? So we can just write one message, you are not authorized. Okay, I can see welcome here. I want to display the name here. What I have to do? You are successfully logged in. Okay, so how I can retrieve the name here? The name is retrieving by sublet, right? So what I can do, uh, let us say success. At this place I can say question mark. Okay, and then I just set some parameter, anything, say xyz, if you don't confuse here. Xyz equal to what? Plus name is str1, right? Same thing I can do with here. Okay, xyz equal to str1. So the name can look by failure or success.jsp. Here we are setting some parameter that xyz equal to name. Now this guy can write some JSP code and get the value. They can write the skiplet here. So I can write here string s1 equal to request dot get parameter. What parameter? XYZ. So name will come here, and I can say hi, I want to display the S1 here, so percent equal to S1. Okay, message will come, hi Tom, you are not authorized. Okay, same thing I can write here in the success page also, right? This time I can say welcome Tom, you are successfully login, right? Okay, so I designed the success page, failure page, right? And then login sublet is also ready. We are forwarding to different page once the login status is valid. Okay, let us deploy this request dispatcher project on the server. Run on server now. Next, finish it. Okay, so you're getting the first page, that is index page here. I enter here Tom, and here I say value or password is something else, right? So login. Now you're redirected to the failure page, right? And saying hi Tom, you are not authorized. This time I'll enter the same username password because that is my condition of login, right? Say login. So welcome Tom, you are successfully logged in. Understood? So I think you understood what is a request dispatcher. It is helping you to forward your request to different page, right? It is failure.jsp and success.jsp are retrieving the value and getting and displaying it, right? That's all about